Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this leather office chair. I think this one could be really good if you kind of like lack of space, because this one comes with a feature that is a really space saver. This one right here, I like it because a few reasons. Number one, how it looks. Just tell me that this one doesn't look good. This one looks kind of like executive, old school, vintage, and with this kind of like 2 or 3 tones with the leather, I think it looks really cool. Number two, it supports 300 pounds. So I have to say, by the size of this chair, 300 pounds is a lot. And also the assembly process. The assembly process of this one was so quick. I think I did it in probably like 15 minutes, no more than that. But the feature that I was telling you is the flip arms, as you can see over here. So this could be really good if you don't have too much space and you can actually put it in storage mode just underneath your desk. So that's actually pretty good. Also, with kind of like the stitches over here looks really nice and stylish, as well as these pads over here. They're really padded, as well as this on the side. So you can see them on the sides as well as the headrest. This is super well padded, and it comes with, I have to say that it's not a dedicated lumbar support, but it's kind of like something that is going to give you a really nice 90 degrees posture. As well as right here, it is really firm on the center piece and more cushion right here on the edge of the seat, so you can actually have some elevations to avoid some really nice circulation on your legs. But then you can see the sitting position on this one. By the way, I'm 5'10", I weigh 190 pounds, and you can see that I still can rest my head over here. So I think this one could be good for people up to 6.3, 6.2, I want to say. But then also, like every other chair, you can modify the height. But the best thing is this right here. Comes with a really nice rocking feature. It's not a recliner, it's more like a rocking feature. So if you want to kind of like chill, relax, or something like that, this could be a really good one. I like this chair. It's super comfy. It also looks really good. Super easy to assemble, 300 pounds, and of course, it's going to give you a really nice support as well. Like it, I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.